And guys, coming to you from DOWN4SOUND with another frequently asked questions segment. This is going to be number 12. But first, my name is Johnathan Price, owner and operator of DOWN4SOUND and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. All right, so let's get into this. We have a section where we find a bunch of questions in our comments on my YouTube videos, and we come back and answer them for you. So again, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If I see them, I'll try to answer them for you. Anyway, we're gonna start off with Pax Baby with 2 Y's. It says, hey JP, I have 3 SCAR SVR 15s in a 10Q box after displacement, tuned to 37 with about 160 inches of port area and a slot port. My build peaks at 50. Why is this so far off from the tuning frequency? I thought it might be the subs, but the FS is 33 Hertz. So you have cabin gain is what they, I mean, it's called a couple of different things, but you're gonna have your tuning frequency and you're gonna have your cabin frequency. So usually you have a gain or a higher frequency that you get once you put your box into your vehicle. When you play it, you have a cabin frequency that you start peaking at, which I think my Tahoe was around, even though some of my boxes that I had prior were like 32 Hertz, it was peaking at like 43 or 45. So the same thing, you're always going to have some gain there depending on your vehicle. So that's why it's happening. It's just because you put it inside of a vehicle and it's playing a different frequency. And it's not playing a different frequency, it's just peaking at a different frequency because it's kind of responding to your cabin in your vehicle. All right, moving on to the next one, we have Scrape and Bass. It says, hey JP, I have a question. I'm running a JP23 for my subs and a JP84 for mids and highs. What should my electrical setup be for basic daily use to make sure the amps are getting the power they need to run efficiently? First of all, I appreciate everybody. I see so many people commenting that they're running JP series amps. Thank you so much for taking a chance and getting you some JP amps, and people are loving them. You can read all the reviews on the website, but thank you for using them. If you want the easiest thing, you could, I mean, obviously make sure you're running 0 gauge power and ground wires, but you could grab a battery just like this, the DOWN4SOUND LTO 6.0. You could throw it back there with, do a big 3 upgrade, but you would be golden with just having this back there. So that's what I would recommend, be the simplest thing. Let's see. The next one is TPM 1868. If I'm running components with passive crossovers to an amp, do I need the amp crossover to be in full range or a high pass? Full range is what you need it to be in, because your crossover is going to be doing 99% of the work anyway. Let's see. Next one is Joker Lee 33. So what would produce more SPL? 4 10-inch X series or 2 12-inch ZV6? A ton of power for both subs. I would definitely go with the 4 10-inch X series on that. All right, last one is Ronnie Tavares. Tavares? Yeah. Sundown X12V3 or Defbon's 3012R. This one's kind of difficult. I think the 3012 may edge out the XV3. It's super close, but it may edge it out. But the problem is we're not going to have any 3012s for a very long time, probably till November of this year. So in my opinion, it's not worth waiting that long for. The XV3 is an awesome sub. So if you're wanting something right now, get the XV3. It's an amazing sub as well. And if you don't want to wait, if you want to play bass all summer, all fall, and the winter, you can do that with the XV3 because we have a ton of them in stock. All right, I hope that's going to conclude this frequently asked questions section. Again, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll try to answer it for you. And until next time, I'm out. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JP D4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.